Alright guys, if you can see, I'm out here today and it's windy, it's choppy. There are pretty rough. Hopefully that wind's not too much so you can hear me. White caps, it's rough out here today. But this is the place where true mounts are born and developed, tested. You know, not on a river, not on a lake, not on that flat water. There's nothing wrong with running them there after they've been tested, they can handle it. If all you're running is lakes and rivers, guys, all you need is a suction cup mount. You don't need my mount, you don't need anybody else's. Buy yourself a suction cup mount off of Amazon and you'll be good to go. But if you're out here in the Gulf, which, you know, probably 7 out of 10 runs out here, it's rough, you know. You need something that's gonna hold up. NRGcreativ has them. So I'm gonna switch over to the front mountain here and then get some more video.